Hey, 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 you trader nerds. Here we are after regular market hours, 4:05. How are y'all? Hope everybody's having a great time. BE, Chain, Coach, DB, Donnie, and Doug, and Dwayne, and Hal, and James, and Jen, and Matt, and Mo, and PSG, and Redbird, and RR, and Soda Junkie, and Stacy, and Tamek, Vicky, Victor. Good to see all of y'all. Rah. Here we are at the end of the market. And y'all, I told you, you need to watch your GTC orders because when they fly, they fly. So here's what we're doing today is working on the campaign mode of the Black Swan Hedge. So let's go to the mega account where we had all kind of orders flying today. Let's see if we can get them all in and see how many shorts and longs and everything that we have. So let's see. It needs to be this account. And let's take this one off. So make sure we got the right one. There we go. Now let's go to our activity page and let's see what was working. We don't have any working now. Look at that. Well, that doesn't make sense. We should have something working. Here, let me fix this. Hold on. There we go. We got something working down here for 20 cents, right? So let's see what got filled today. So we bought 10 options and we bought 5 options today. Is that all that happened? Yep, looks like it is 10 and 5. So let's put those in. And both of those are at the 3,400. Wow, look at that. We bought some of them at $1.80 and some of them at $1.70. And we bought them all at 65 days. Wow, waka. So let's put those in 170 and 180. Y'all help me remember that. So let's go. It's important to put it in your trade sheet because you don't know how many longs and shorts we got if we don't. So see here over here, it says I've got 12 shorts and long 13. So this is going to make a big difference here. So let's go in and put this out, trades. So we did ES trades and we'll list them separately. Bought 15 puts today. Look at that. ES. So we bought 5 and then we bought 10. And so we'll call this, oh my gosh, what will we call it? Let's say we did BSH4, 6 of those. So that should go with a 10. So this is BSH4 loans. Goodness, BSH4 loans. And then the 5, I guess, went with the BSH short 3. BSH loans 4. No, 3. There we go. And we said it's 3,400 on both of them. So we did puts, and then it's a long hedge, and then a long hedge. Good. So then we said it was at 65 days out. So it took us what, 25 days to fill it? Or 65 days out. 65. And we got filled on January the 23rd in the year of our Lord 24. My mama's birthday. Mama is 79 years old. Oh, doing good. Worked out an hour and a half at the gym today. So let's see, some of these were at 170 and some were at 180. So 170, 180 is a 10. Okay. 170, 180. 180 and 110. I mean 170. Beautiful. So it cost us what, $1,300 to do that today, but they're overall free because remember these we sold for $474 and it cost us $434 to do the longs. So that is a credit, my friend. How much did it take us to do the 6? It took $1,009 and took $918. Do you see how we put that on for a credit? Now you go over here and you go, okay, what does this mean? So we go over here and now look at this, y'all. Look at this. We are short 12 positions and we are long 28 positions. So basically we bought back what, 3 tranches today? We could sell 9 easily. and have 21 shorts and 28 longs, or you could sell 12, right? And no 24, 28, but I think I'm just going to do the 9. So let's go out and start a new tranche. So we bought a bunch. So let's go out and start a new tranche. So we'll go ES, we'll go trade, and let's see where we want to put them. Anywhere over 60 days, right? Anywhere over 60 days. So we could go, I thought there was 65 in those things. Hold on a second. Where did we do the 5? What did the activity say? 65 days. Oh, there's no 65 days. Is there 69 days? I don't know. Let's see. What's on y'all's is here? Let's go to Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim will show us. Oh, crap. Well, we'll go there later. So let's go. Y'all look at your option change. Make sure it's 60. Okay, there's 65. Okay, it just wasn't updated. I hate that it doesn't update sometimes. So 65 days out. So let's see where we could sell 3 and buy 5. Now, we could go. Let me clear all this out. Bobby. We could go here, but see, the problem is we already got shorts right in there. So I probably don't want to use this 65 days. Let's go up 1. So let's go to 69. Let's go to the 91. There we go, which is actually 87. Oh, is there all confused as I am? So let's go sell us some 3 down here. So 305 sounds really good. 34.50s. So we said we're going to sell 9 of these. We'll try to get the bid price. And let's see, probably won't get it after hours. 9. Okay, 9 for 310. Working, nothing. Let's see if we can get it filled here. Help me, baby. Make it less advantageous for us. So go to 305. Beautiful. We are in for 305. So we sold 9. So now we've got to put a GTC order in, right? So go back to the 98 days, 87 days, I mean. And we got to put a GTC in. So we sold those for 305. So what do we do? Put this in for? Well, that's where you got your nifty calculator. I thought it was a credit. It said I was getting like $1,300 credit. What did I miss? Field 305 credit. Yeah, 305 credit times 9. Yeah, that's credit. So let's go back to our spreadsheet, and we have a BSH calculator here. And I use the bottom one, right? The bottom one's the one that we work for this. So number of BSH tranches was 3. Because we sold 9, right? So that's 9 shorts. The price of the shorts was $3.05. Okay. We're going to harvest at 20 cents. So what do we need to pay for our longs so that we can break even? So let's see what it's going to be. Let's hit our solver button. So $1.63. So we'll put in $1.60. So 9 and 15, right? We need $5.15. So let's go back to the trade tab. Let's buy 15 of those. Isn't this fun? I love this. Buy 15 loans, and we're going to do a GTC order, and we're going to put the price in at $1.60. Okay. Make sure everything looks like 3 tranches. Yep. Review and send. And bingo, baby. So we got that in there. Now, remember, don't forget this little buggy here that we need to harvest this, right? So let's go create a closed position, the full Monty, and we're going to close this at 20 cents. And we're going to do a GTC order at 20 cents and review and send. And yeah. So we got working orders there. That's how easy it is, y'all. Isn't that cool? Isn't that wild? So now our little thing has, let's see our loans to our short ratio. Look at this, y'all. Oh, well, I didn't put the shorts in. So you got to put the shorts in. So let's do that real quick. Yes. So we sold 9 shorts. So we'll call this what? BSH 3, 4, BSH 5. BSH 5 shorts. And we sold the, what did we sell? We sold the 34.50 for 305. 34.50 for 305. Puts, these are short hedge at 87 days, 1/23/24 for 3.05. Beautiful. Took in $1,356 or they're out. I need to fix this here. So let's go to the other account. Now, the other account's a little unusual because I don't keep up with the trades in this one, which is the freehand account. So let's go to the freehand account. If I can figure out which one it is. It's Delta Theta. What's this one got in it as far as positions go? Let's see what's in there. Let's see. Come here, baby. Get on there. Now, let's see what our positions are in this one. We got Bill, ES, and MES. Yeah, that's it. That's the one we want to trade. So today in this one, we got, look at this, y'all, field orders. We bought 5. That's the only order that happened today. And then the other one's on Monday. So we bought 5 today. So what we need to do is go out and sell 3, right? So let's do that. We bought 5. So let's go sell 3 in this account. So we'll go trade. I really should keep up with the trades in this one though. So we bought 5. So we're going to go out in this one. Let's see, that's 87 there. We got 12 and 20, got a working order on that. So we bought the 5. So where could I go here? I guess I can go to the same expiration, 87, and we can sell these. See if we can get 305 out of them, like we did. Do 3 of these. There we go. And swing better. There we go. So we bought that for 305. Make sure. Yep, 305. So what do we say this needed to be? $1.60, right? So we'll buy 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll do it for $1.60. Love it, y'all. Love it. GTC and swing better. Done. All right, questions, comments. That's how you do it.
Need another good till canceled on the.
Oh, you're right, Hal. You're right. Thanks for getting me. That's it. You got to keep these things going, y'all, because they'll pop off all the time, and you'll be like, "Oh man, you get lost if you don't keep up with this." You're right, because you don't want that thing not to close. So we'll go GTC. Thank you, Hal. And 20 cents. Beautiful. There we go. Now we got working orders. Isn't that great? God, y'all, this is the greatest trading plan known to man. I hope y'all are enjoying the Black Swan Hedge campaign. I will see y'all tomorrow.